Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a dairy-free turmeric milk, also known as haldi doodh. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy helps you to sleep better, helps in weight loss and boost immunity. So let's get started with the recipe. I have a finger of fresh turmeric. I'll be using about half of this turmeric root. I'm peeling off the skin. Into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in the turmeric root, 4 to 5 whole black peppercorns. I'm crushing the turmeric and the black peppercorns. Black pepper helps in the absorption of curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric. So try not to skip adding black pepper. Instead of whole black peppercorns, you can use black pepper powder instead. Into a saucepan, I'm adding in 1 cup of water, a small piece of cinnamon. Add in the crushed black pepper and fresh turmeric root. Turn on the flame and bring this to a boil. And while it is boiling, let's make a vegan dairy-free milk. And for that, I have already soaked overnight 7 to 8 almonds. Now, it's very important that you soak the almonds and peel them so that the nutrients in the almonds are unlocked. I'm adding the peeled almonds into my small chutney grinder. The healthy fats in almonds helps in better assimilation of turmeric. Instead of almonds, you can use cashew nuts as well. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Now, instead of dates, you can use palm sugar, jaggery powder, coconut sugar, or even maple syrup. If you don't prefer any sweetness, you can totally omit adding the dates. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 cup water and I'm blending all this really well. Okay, now it's nicely blended. I'm going to keep this aside. Meanwhile, the turmeric has started to boil and I'm simmering it on low flame for about 2 minutes. Transfer the blended ingredients into a steel mug. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame and pour it into the mug through a sieve. I'm going to show you how to froth the turmeric milk. Into the same saucepan, I'm pouring in the turmeric milk. I'm pouring it back into the mug again. And I'm doing this process a couple of times. So what this does is, not only will it help to froth the turmeric milk, but also will help to reduce the heat slightly and also helps in blending the turmeric milk and the ingredients really well. You may need to do this process a couple of times. Lastly, pour it into the serving glass. A couple of strands of saffron and my super healthy dairy-free turmeric milk is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy turmeric milk and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.